Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today we are going to review this screwdriver kits. The name is hotak. So let's open it. Let's see what's in it. So that's in it. We got the main screwdriver itself. So you can see the screwdriver right here. Yeah, like that. And here's the heads. We got got Phillips screwdriver and the flat screwdriver. I don't know what this one is. I think it's the Tox screwdriver. I don't know what the hell is this too. And this is Tox, and don't know what is that. Don't know what is that. And don't know what is that too. So there's a lot of options if you want to open things, like if you want to open a hard drive like this. So you guys wait. Okay, so as you can see, this is a hard drive. So I'm just gonna show you how if you wanna open it. I don't wanna open it right now. I'm gonna open it later. So first thing, you're gonna choose your head. As you can see, this one fits perfectly. I'm just gonna open one. Okay, it's for you guys. So it's as simple as that, guys. So if you don't have a screwdriver, basically you can open it, because you need to have a screwdriver or it will not open. You have to have this bit right here, like this one. So that's basically it. So if you want to open it, you have to have this.